The Lightfury and Hiccup Dragon Set lets kids relive the thrilling adventures from How to Train Your Dragon: The Hidden World. Both the Lightfury Dragon and Hiccup Viking figures boast incredible detail and are fully poseable for dynamic play. Hiccup is equipped with dragon-scale armor and a removable flaming sword, adding to the authenticity and excitement. Lightfury comes with a unique wing-flapping feature that is activated by squeezing her hind legs together. This set encourages imaginative play, allowing kids to recreate their favorite scenes from the beloved DreamWorks movie. The Lightfury and Hiccup Dragon Set makes a fantastic gift for young dragon trainers and fans of the franchise.